Hello guys, hello again. So this is Victor. I'm a proud member of Super U Display Group, and we Super U specialize in retail shop design and customized shop furniture manufacture. So we have been in the shop fitting business for over 16 years, and we have done over 2,000 different shop projects all over the world. So today I'm going to introduce you guys to one of the projects I just finished. So this is a mobile phone shop project I finished for a client in Maldives. So let's begin. So please come this way. So this one is the reception desk in front of the shop. So this is the centerpiece. The entire counter is made with artificial marble. So like you said, the front side, the countertop, and the side piece is all made with stone. And we have customized acrylic logo in front and LED light as decoration. And also the front part of the counter, this is made with wood veneer MDF with LED light customized below. And also we have, please turn around. So on this side, we have customized logo carved on the marble stone. So the brand name is called Exceed Go Beyond. So they're one of the experts in mobile phone repairing in Maldives. So if you guys ever visit Maldives, please go to see them. And we have brushed electrical socket on top with, so like this. You can have electrical cables run through this with a brushed function. And so for this part, the material we use is painted MDF and painted MDF on this too. And the counter is artificial marble stone. And below the repair center, we actually have universal sockets built in the counter. So our clients can use different electrical machine for phone repairing. So this is universal electrical socket, like this. So this is built in the counter. So this particular piece is used as a reception desk, also a repair center. So two technicians is gonna sit here, and they will do phone repairing. So, and come this way, please. And this is the base cabinet we put below the wall display. The interior cabinet is made with painted MDF, and we have storage room below, and this, and this. So you can put different product and store everything here. And this is storage unit. And this particular piece is one we put in front of the window, so it is a window display. It is similar to a jewelry showcase. We have pull-out drawers like this, and customized logo in front, UV printed, and the countertop is made with clear tempered glass with lighting inside to showcase all the product. And we also have storage unit below with LED light under the skirting, like this. And folks here, please. So this is one of the most important piece in the shop. This is our wall display. So our clients, he sells like phone accessories. And one thing that is very special about display is for the backboard, we use powder coated steel as a display board. And we use magnet glued on top, on the back of the phone case. And we just stick this to the board. So it's very clean and unique way to display our client's product. And we have LED light running through around the display, and LED light here as well. So this is made with steel. And for the structure material of the frame, we use wood veneered MDF, so very good quality stuff. Here. And this one, so this is actually a column cover we use for the shop, and we actually have a hidden door here. So in our client's shop, he will actually have an electric box putting inside of this entire display. So here. And this is similar wall display we use. Also powder coated steel as a backboard, LED light running through. And one thing, one of the important piece we have is the workbench. So because it is a phone repairing shop, our clients will have different electronic machines put on top here. Also a coffee machines for his own clients. So we added a little water basin here, so you can use to wash the coffee mugs. And we also have storage unit below here. And the countertop is made with artificial marble stone here. And this floor is the window display as well. And we have LED light under the skirting, and the entire display is made with painted MDF. So this is actually a window display. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. So if you guys ever need shop fitting, or you are planning to open a new business, please call us or message us on Alibaba. Thank you. See you again next time.